Hi guys, I hope you're having a very good day, and today's tutorial is going to be based on the absolutely gorgeous Maleficent, the Disney movie. I'm sure you've all seen that movie, and what better to do a tutorial to look like the gorgeous Angelina Jolie. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't go by the voiceover that I'm doing in this video because my video did get a bit messed up, but at the same time, stay tuned to watch this quick tutorial, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave any likes and comments in the boxes below, and please do share this video with all your friends so that we can all spread the Halloween love. Now let's get started. I'm going to start by using this MAC palette and prepping my eyes. Like you can see, the lids of my eyes I'm going to conceal with this Pro Conceal and Correct palette. This comes in like 4 different shades. It's got NC15, W10, NC20, NW20, a pale yellow and a pale pink. So I'm going for the NC15 on top of my eye, and like you can see, I'm just going ahead and covering the base of my eye, which I'm going to later set with a powder. So the palette that I'm going to go ahead and use now is the Full Exposure palette from Smashbox. It comes in a range of different nude as well as matte colors, and the color that I'm going to use is a matte color, and it is in number M4, and it's a really nice light color like you can see. And then I'm going to go ahead with the brown, which is a M6, on the corner of my eyes, just to give it a really nice kind of shaded look. So like you can see, I'm just going out with that color on the outer corners and across the lid, on the top lid of my eye, with a nice fluffy brush, and I'm just going to try to blend it in for a few minutes till I get the right kind of smoky eye. I'm going ahead with the Epic Liner by NYX in a black noir. The foundation I'm going to go ahead and use today is the NC25 by MAC Studiofix Fluid, and it's a really nice one because even though it's lighter, it gives you those the illusion of the perfect high mountain cheekbones like Maleficent has. For my cheekbones today, I'm going to use this makeup stick foundation. It's an oil-free stick from Classic Makeup, and it's in this really nice dark brown color. And I'm not sure if there's a number to it, but I think it's SF6. And it's very similar to like the Kryolan stick-on long foundation sticks that you get. So I'm just going to go ahead and just roughly draw a line starting from the top of my cheekbones, going all the way down my jaw till my chin, just to give it the really sharp definition that it needs. I'm going to go ahead and do a bit on my nose, a little bit on my temples, and then try to blend the whole thing in. I need to make sure that I do enough blending of the whole brown colors that I put on my face, and the Anastasia contour kit is something that I swear by, just to go ahead and set the cream foundation stick and this powder works really well on all skin tones, and the brown just kind of highlights with the on top of the cream foundation that I've used. So like you can see, gently wherever I've done the brown, I'm just going ahead and setting that cream with this powder so that in case I touch it, it doesn't run all over my face. I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face now with Hide the Blemish from Rimmel. It is a concealer, but I'm using it as a contour stick under my eyes and trying to frame the side of my cheekbones just to give it a bit more of a lift. Like I said before, the lighter the color or concealer that you can use, the better it is, because against the brown, you just want it to pop like a volcano. So go ahead and get those old shades of really light colors that you thought were very light for your face out, because this is the right time to use it. I'm going to go under my cheekbones as well. Like you can see, just shade that area just to make the rest of my face pop. Use a bit on the other side as well, and I will go ahead and use some under my eye. It's time to give those gorgeous lips some color now, and let's go ahead and fill them in with MAC. And the pencil liner that I'm going to be using today is the Ruby Woo lip pencil, and it's one of my favorite pencils by MAC. And I'm just going to go ahead, like you can see, outline my complete lip with this pencil. It's good to outline and fill in the lip with the same color of the pencil, just so that your lipstick tends to last a bit longer. So go ahead, don't feel shy. I'm going ahead and outlining my lips a little on the outside just to make them appear even more fuller than they already are. So go ahead and line those lips. The lip color that I'm going ahead and using right now is Colordrama by Maybelline, and it is in Berry Munch, 310 Berry Munch, and it is one of my favorite smelling lip colors, especially for this autumn season. I couldn't be happier to go ahead and use this on top of the red Ruby Woo MAC lip liner that I've already used. Maybelline Colordrama, and it is an intense velvet lip pencil, and it comes out beautifully on the lips like you can see. The next thing that I'm using is this lip gloss by Body Shop, an amazing lip gloss in Peach Twist number 106, and it's a shine lip liquid, not even lip gloss, and it's got things like argan oil, jojoba, and marula oil. And like you can see, it just gives that really nice, intense shine and just makes your lips look even more fuller than they already are. Try to keep the shine in the middle of the lips because it always works and just makes your lips look even more fuller and nicer. Maleficent has very sharp eyebrows. Even though her eyebrows are quite scanty, she goes ahead and fills them in, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm just going to go and give a little touch up and a top up the same way that I did before under my eyes. Just create a little triangle and go and fill that up on both eyes, underneath both eyes, and a little bit under the cheeks as well. Whoa, and there you go. My look for being Maleficent is all set and ready. I've gone ahead and put on my Maleficent headgear, my horns, which I feel cannot be very highly visible in this video, but there you go. You can see a bit of it, and there we are.